How to log in multiple accounts in TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily log in multiple TikTok accounts in your mobile. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to log in multiple accounts on TikTok, first of all open your TikTok app and here click on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. And click on three horizontal lines on top right corner. Click on setting and privacy. Scroll down to the end and here click on switch account and click on add account. And here you can select any method from which you can log in. I select continue with email and here you have to enter your email and password and you would be successfully logged in another TikTok account. So guys, in this way you can add or log in multiple TikTok accounts in your TikTok app. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.